Yes, my name is Giselle Carreño and I teach AP Biology. So VR is going to truly help elevate the program because it's going to allow our students to engage in a deeper level. They're going to allow them to critical thinking or think critically because they'll be able to now connect with abstract thinking in a more tangible way. They'll be able to investigate things like the cell or the atoms in a more tangible way, and they'll be able to have those real world connections in a very unique way. So we're very excited to have our students use the VR technology to enhance our pathway and to engage our students in the next level of science education.
Hi, I'm Angela Patrizzi. I am the science tech at North Broward Prep. Virtual reality and augmented reality is going to allow our students to be immersed in science and to actually experience it, not just hands-on in the classroom, but in ways that they haven't been able to do before. Complex systems, like we can travel inside a cell, or we can go virtually on field trips to places we can't access now currently, or even in the science lab in chemistry, for instance, they can perform a very dangerous experiment without the added risk.
Hi, I'm Patricia Fotiva, and I teach marine biology and forensic science. This VR system is going to prepare our students to engage with the modern scientific practices of the day because it allows them to experience things that we otherwise in the classroom would have a very hard time simulating and curating. So for example, they would get to play with a lot of things like lasers and other industry tools that otherwise would be so difficult to source, electron scanning microscopes and other things of that nature, to where they can really see what the tools in the current field have to offer at a scale that is accessible to them in their current state, and then they can learn with those tools. So I think it is going to give our students such an experience they would otherwise not be able to find anywhere because of this VR system.
The Advanced Scientific Inquiry Pathway, or ASIP, is our newly added pathway for science, where students engage in an honor level inquiry pathway where they are able to explore from the most basic content like medical terminology all the way to inquiry-based learning. And this is going to enhance the ability of students to engage with scientific content in a very unique way. The great thing about this pathway is very flexible. It also engages students to be able to go deeper into their studies of science and really get engaged into the world of real-world connections.